a giant white cloud cream.
You can make clear cloud cream?
Yeah. I mean,
Wow!
It's not clear, but it's with clear glue.
Tomato, tomato, same thing.
Okay. So basically, I'm gonna make a giant clear cloud cream, and he's gonna make a giant white cloud cream. And we're just gonna see, like, compare them, and they're just gonna be pretty, and we're just gonna play with them. So yeah. So that's what we're gonna do today. And today's Life Fun Challenge is gonna be, well, Charlie, you can say it because you're the guest of honor.
You have to act like you're sneezing and then like the button.
So you guys have to act like you're sneezing and like don't sneeze and then press the like button. And if you guys are able to do that, make sure you comment down below hashtag I did it. And let's just get straight on to the video. Yo.
No.
Okay guys, so first we're gonna make some regular slime and then we're gonna go ahead and put the instant snow. So let's start, Charlie.
Okay.
There we go. Okay, so first we're gonna make, what am I doing? Okay, let's go. Okay, Charlie, let's do a little challenge to see who can get the glue out of the gallon first. Ready?
All right.
1, 2, 3, go! Hoo! Hi! Ha! Oh, no!
I think I'm done.
No, you're not.
No, Ameerah.
I'm done. Do you see anything coming out? Okay, guys, so the next step is to go ahead and color our slime and put some glitter in it.
No.
Don't do that. I'm gonna make mine a light green because I kind of want to see how that's gonna look. Okay.
I'm gonna make mine a light black.
There's no black.
Well.
And how do you make a light black?
Like.
Mix that together. The last time I did this with Grandma Berta, I made it green because that's kind of funny. Okay, I decided I want to add a little bit of like blue food coloring to kind of give it like more of a turquoise look.
I decided to add a little bit more blue food coloring just to make it a little bit more bluer.
All right, this is looking beautiful. B-E-U-T-ful. Okay, I'm putting some more blue because mine is not turning out how I wanted it to turn out.
Mine turned out exactly how I wanted mine to turn out, so I am done.
Mine is not turning out good. No!
Do I activate it?
Wait a second, it is. Okay, guys, now we're gonna go ahead and add the glitter.
I won!
I'm gonna make my mermaid.
Glitter doesn't even matter in mine.
Well, it does. You can see it
Why?
when it's a fluff. Okay, we're gonna put that much.
I'm gonna make mine look like a baby's diaper.
Oh my god, yes, this hollow glitter glock. This holographic glitter is so beautiful, guys. Alright guys, we're gonna mix this. This is so beautiful. Oh my god, yes! Does yours look as beautiful as mine, Charlie?
10 times more beautiful than yours.
10 times more beautiful.
10 times more beautiful.
Okay, I'm all done with mine, and I'm hoping that it's gonna like be more blue, and I think it will. It's just that my counter is yellow, and since it's clear, it's making it like a dark green, and I was a little sad.
Your counter? This is my counter.
What? Okay. Alright guys, so I'm all done. I'm gonna go ahead and activate my slime. Charlie, are you done?
Yeah, I'm done. I'm gonna
Alright.
activate.
Okay, Charlie, calm down, Charlie. Charlie, what the heck? Charlie!
Alright, I'm good.
Okay, so the trick to cloud cream is that you're supposed to activate the slime a little bit more than usual. So, you know, kind of make it hard. So I guess, Charlie, you're fine. Okay, here's some more activator for you,
I need
Charlie.
a lot.
Who let the dogs out?
Charlie did. Charlie did.
Really? I told you not to let the dogs out. I'm gonna activate mine more because it is not activated.
I told you.
Wait, I can just tell yours doesn't need any more, Charlie.
Yes, it does, Ameerah. I can tell yours doesn't need any more, Charlie.
Really?
I mean, Ameerah.
Oh my god. Ooh, mine is turning out to be a pretty color. Oh, it's turquoise, yes! My god, guys, I can't get this off! There's like this piece of string that's on me and I cannot get it off.
That's actually my armpit hair.
What? Guys, my color is actually looking pretty, so I'm pretty happy.
Mine's looking ugly, so I'm ugly happy.
What? That doesn't work.
Yes, it does.
Guys, I am in love with mine. Guys, even though mine is extremely overboxed, it's still really nice to poke.
Oh man, is mine done?
Yeah, is yours done yet? Cause I'm done. My slime is finally done. Okay guys, now it's time for the instant snow.
Alright. Or is it snow instant?
So first we have to put the water inside the snow so that the snow can kind of grow a little bit, and yeah. Okay, you guys ready for this? You ready? It looks so cool. Yes!
Whoa.
Okay, I think that is a good amount. Guys, when you make cloud cream, basically you're gonna wanna get some instant snow, and it comes in a powder first, and then you're gonna put a little bit of water. Not too much, because if you put too much, then it'll turn clear, and then it will become cloud cream.
I think it needs a little more.
Just till it's white. No, I think it's good like this. Let's add a little bit more.
Put it in the corner.
Oh yeah.
And let's mix it real quick. Alrighty.
Okay, alright, now let's start drizzling it in our slime.
Oh, that's how you do it? You go like...
Okay. Can we have like a better system here?
Oh. Oh.
I'm gonna go ahead and start kneading mine in. I am really excited for mine, guys, because I feel like it's probably gonna get lighter because of the instant snow. It's gonna get like kind of a more pastel color, and I am just so excited because I feel like it's gonna be so pretty.
And I'm excited for mine, guys, because I've never done this before.
Mine is like almost done, and it's starting to get like lighter and more pastel, and I am so happy because it looks so pretty, guys. Okay, mine's starting to get sticky already from the instant snow.
Mine is not sticky at all.
Oh god. Guys, wasn't it a bad idea to have Charlie help me with this?
It's supposed to be sticky?
Yes. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put some borax because mine is like completely unactivated now and it's so sticky.
That's weird.
So,
mine is still freaking activated.
well, it's probably because you probably had some balls of borax.
For some reason, it's not taking in all of my snow.
Mine is taking all of it in. So Charlie is needing less borax and I'm needing more borax. I think we have a problem, guys.
Hers is too sticky and mine's not sticky at all.
So what we have learned from this experience, guys, is that white glue actually doesn't melt as much as clear glue. So when you guys are making cloud cream, make sure you be careful with the clear glue. Even though mine isn't like a cloud fluff like I want it to be, it actually is still really, really nice. Like it feels so nice. So Charlie, go ahead and get out your glue and I'm gonna get out my snow.
I got glue right here.
Yo. I literally only need a little bit of snow because I put a little bit in like a big thing and it like completely ruined it. So I only need like a little bit. And Charlie.
Ugh.
No, Charlie.
No what? Try.
It's not even gonna fit in there.
We're gonna stir you up right now. This is totally not Gucci. Let's
Okay, well you need to take out some. It's not gonna mix.
Yeah, but can I spin it manually and it'll spin that?
Yes, if you want.
Okay, we'll be back.
Guys, it's so peaceful just to kind of.
Hey, I didn't.
Ow!
Ow! Anything here, so we're just gonna have to keep going with this. But this doesn't work very much, so we're just gonna have to take this out because I don't like this.
Oh my god, yeah, thank god.
Alright, I think I'm just gonna put all the glue in here. I'm just gonna collect all my slime. I'm gonna put all the glue in here.
So mine is coming together really well and it looks so beautiful because like the clear glue, it kind of like lets these sparkles show a lot more than like white glue, I think. Guys, so I just took it out of the box and it looks so beautiful. I had to share it with you guys. Oh my god, yes.
Can I touch it?
No.
Please?
No.
I'm not sure what's happening with mine, Ameerah. Can you help me?
Yeah. So I am finally done with mine and I think Charlie's got his slime.
I am good.
It's just so nice, guys. So like it is so fluffy.
Yeah, brag about it, huh?
It's pretty, it's fluffy. Yours sucks. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and do some ASMR. I'll go first. So here is mine, guys. As you can tell, it is super pretty and it is like so nice to have a big batch of it because it's so like soft and so runny. It's cray. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and take this out of the box now and it's gonna look like the box thing that we did in the beginning. So yes. Yes! Look at that. No.
Can I touch it? I just want to touch it.
Okay. Yes, that looks cool. What if I raked it all? Oh.
This looks like kinetic sand.
Now it looks like somebody's lawn.
That's a really ugly lawn.
It's a beautiful lawn. That looks cool. Look at it, guys. It's so pretty.
You know what you should do?
What?
Put your face in it. I'm not gonna push you in. Ew! Your face is ugly!
You can't even see it. Imagine my face is on there. Wow, that really dried out my face. Jesus.
Yeah, just like it dried out my hand.
I'm trying to make some fluff, guys, but it's a little like runny. And I'm trying to, oh yeah, I'm making fluff, guys. I'm making fluff. This is how you make a giant fluff. Do you guys see that? I don't even know what to press it, guys. It is so beautiful.
You should put your face in it. You should look at it really close.
Oh my god, guys. Oh my god, it looks like water. Like if water had a solid, I don't know what. Okay, that is it for mine, guys. You can see Charlie's now.
Now, let's roll Charlie's in.
Literally roll.
So mine is much better than Ameerah's because it's not as runny. Is
Googers.
what she would say if she didn't like it.
Honestly, Charlie's isn't bad. It's just I was kind of looking for more of a cloud fluff and not like cloud. He made more of a cloud cream, guys.
Alright, so pretty much mine is really, you know, unlike Ameerah, it's pretty much the complete opposite of Ameerah, you know? Oh gosh, that hurts.
Last time.
Ugh.
Okay, so I think the differences between this is that the white glue is like thicker and it needs a little bit more instant snow and less borax. And then the clear glue, basically the exact opposite. You need more borax and less snow, but I'm not exactly sure.
What's wrong with it?
I'm gonna try to get a small piece so I can show you guys the fluff better. And also guys, white glue slime actually gives you more fluff than the clear glue because clear glue kind of just falls apart, but it is still fun to play with obviously. Guys, I think what we should do is since mine's like a little too runny and his is a little too firm, I think we should go ahead and do a slime smoothie and see what happens, so yeah. Okay, we're gonna do half of this slime and half of his slime, put them together and squish them up. Yes, this is gonna be so nice, guys.
Yeah, I know it will.
Okay. Oh my god, guys, it looks so pretty! I was sure.
I will take half and mix it.
So guys, at the end of this journey, we figured out that you can mix white glue and clear glue and you can make the perfect cloud cream. Anyways, you guys comment down below what your opinion is on this. If you like clear glue or white glue, I don't even know. I don't even know. I like both of them so much. Sometimes it's just like what I'm feeling, what I want. And also comment down below what team you're on. If you like my slime better, make sure you comment down below hashtag team Ameerah. And if you like Charlie's better,
You comment down below, Team Charlie!
and also, if you guys want us to do a part 2 to this, maybe like fishbowl, a giant white glue one, that would be pretty cool. Anyways, that is it, guys. Love you so much, and I really hope I see you next time. Bye!